back to Lake Math. We're going to start solving. And in order to solve, this is actually going to be a lot of videos, and we're just going to start with the basics. So the basics, solving. What are we doing? What does it even mean? Basically, solving means we're trying to figure out what the variable is. So let's just talk about what the variable is. The variable is a number. The whole reason we stuck a letter in there is because we don't know which number it is. So it could be any number, but since it's a number, we can do all the same stuff we can do with any number. And that means we can add it, we can subtract it, we can multiply or divide with it, we can use it as an exponent, we can do a lot of things with it because it is a number. We just don't know which number. So we're going to start by solving small stuff and work up to bigger and uglier stuff as we move along.